everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about data structures in Python. As you know, data structures are an essential part of programming, and Python has a variety of data structures that you can use to organize and manipulate data. So, let's get started. Lists. The first data structure we are going to talk about is lists. A list is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable. You can use lists to store a sequence of elements, such as strings, integers, or even other lists. In Python, you can create a list using square brackets, like this. My_list is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Tuples. The next data structure we are going to talk about is tuples. A tuple is similar to a list, but it's immutable, which means you can't change its elements once it's created. Tuples are often used for sequences that should not be changed, such as coordinates or dates. In Python, you can create a tuple using parentheses, like this. My_tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Sets. The third data structure we are going to talk about is sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique items. You can use sets to perform common set operations, such as union, intersection, and difference. In Python, you can create a set using curly braces, like this. My_set is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Dictionaries. The fourth data structure we are going to talk about is dictionaries. A dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs that are unordered and changeable. You can use dictionaries to store data in a way that's easy to retrieve and update. In Python, you can create a dictionary using curly braces and colons, like this. My_dict is equal to name, John, age, 30, city, New York. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. These are the four main data structures in Python: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. By using these data structures, you can organize and manipulate data in a way that's efficient and easy to understand. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.